Hey there, designer. Are you ready to take the first step into the exciting world of graphic design? Whether you are dreaming of creating stunning logos, designing eye-catching social media posts, or working with big brands, I've got you covered. In this video, we will break down exactly how to start your graphic design journey from scratch. Let's get into it. First, let's understand what graphic design really is. It's not just about making things look pretty. Graphic design is visual communication. It's about solving problems and telling stories using visuals. From logo design to packaging, billboard to apps, graphic designers bring ideas to life. There are different paths in graphic design: branding, motion graphics, UI or UX design, and more. Don't worry, we will explore these in upcoming videos. For now, think of graphic design as your way to make impact visually. Next, let's talk about the tools you will need as a beginner. You don't need to spend a fortune to get started. Free tools like Canva, GIMP are perfect for beginners. Once you're ready to step it up, softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Figma will become your best friend. So don't try to learn all at once. Pick one and practice consistently. You will thank yourself later. So the next step to talk about is practicing. Start practicing. So what's the best way to learn? So get hands-on, start small. Start by designing birthday cards for a friend or even flyers for small events. Explore free resources online like design challenges or templates. Remember, every designer you admired started as a beginner. Mistakes are part of the process. Each one is a stepping stone to getting better. So there you have it, the first step to starting your graphic design journey. In the next video, we will talk about the essential tools and resources that will take your skills to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.